you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I'm gonna bring you guys along as I surprise my mom with a mini makeover of her living room. So today's video number one, so like part one, I'm gonna share with you where are we so far with this surprise. My mother's birthday is coming up and also Mother's Day. So what a better time to give her a surprise like this. So let's jump right into today's video. So you guys, the first thing that I did was work with Denia and my brother-in-law to do this makeover. We picked up everything, took everything out, and refreshed the wall with a nice coat of the same paint, the white, and we just cleared the room. That's like the first thing we did. Of course, I only had a few hours to do this because my brother took my mom with him, so we were in a rush. Then me and the hubby started putting together this Amazon sofa, you guys. For the first time, we got an Amazon sofa. I wanted to keep this makeover budget friendly, and my friends at the KKL store from Amazon gifted to me this L-shaped convertible sofa. The best thing is that this sofa is under $600. Yes, you heard that right. So the sofa is the perfect size for a small living room or an apartment. Sofa was extremely easy to put together. Me and the hubby did it in no time. It comes with easy to follow instructions, and also assembly videos are available. Sofa comes with a movable shades and a storage ottoman. You can make an L shape either to the left or to the right, however you like. Another great thing about this sofa is that all the cushions are removable, so cleaning will be a breeze. All you have to do is take them out and put them on your washing machine. To say this sofa is very well made and very comfortable and stylish for under $600. Honestly, it is perfect. I love the corduroy material and the beige color, and it's super soft to the touch. The makeover, I changed her window treatment. I got these beautiful drapes from Burlington, and they were super affordable. They were like about $30, I think, for a pack of 4 if I'm not mistaken. And here I am putting a rock into the space. As I put the rock, I realized that I wanted to move the sofa from that corner because it just made the space look a lot more narrow. So we went ahead and moved the sofa. Then of course I started to add, elements to decorate the space. So here I am adding this plant that I also got from my local Burlington store. My mom is into a lot of, traditional decor. So being that the sofa looks a little bit on the contemporary side, I decided to do tones that will bring the warm and the browns so it could look a little bit more traditional. And of course, her little picture frames with pictures of us and the family was non-negotiable. So I'm just putting them back here on the fireplace. Gifted my mom these 2 mirrors that used to be in my old guest room, and then I was like, oh my god, they would look great here, but it was too much of a space, so we need something else in this area. But I like the mirror idea. Then I got a nesting table for this little corner right here of the sofa, and this one was very affordable from my local Ross store. My mom had these 2 ottomans here, and I decided to incorporate them into the decor, and it just gives her extra seating here in the living room, and they go perfect with the color scheme that we were going for. Then to the side tables, I added a little box here so she could keep her control, a little arrangement there, and this is how everything is looking right now. So stay tuned for part 2 of this makeover. So far, it's looking great. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think I should do to the wall behind the sofa? Should we add some mirror, wall art, or a gallery wall? Don't forget to check the description box for the link of this sofa.
Muy bueno, muy bonito.
¿Te gustó el cambio?
Me gustó. Muy acogedor, más amplio.
¿El mueble te gustó? ¿El estilo? ¿El color?
El mueble está cómodo, se siente muy firme, muy acogedor. Sí.
Bueno.
Muy bueno para este espacio.
Exacto, el tamaño está perfecto.
Sí, me encantó. Gracias, hija.
I love you. Guys, that was it for today's video. Don't forget to check back so you can see the final result of my mom's living room makeover. I will see you all on the next one. God bless.